Welcome to EZF Light Purple. Right, so I've base coated this Mechanica Standard Grey. Again, you can use Storm Vermin Fur if you want. First layer is going to be Jean Steeler Purple. And use your whatever base brush you want and just place the paint on the model. It's going to look a bit patchy, but you know the drill. If it's patchy, we've probably got to do another coat then. I don't need to tell you. You already fucking know. Right, now that it's done, let's have a look. And it's miraculously looks like I've done another coat. But I haven't. Another coat of Jean Steeler Purple. I thinned it slightly, just in case you're wondering. In case you're thinking, why don't you just put it straight in from the pot? It's going to clog all the details. This isn't what I want to see. I'm going to unsubscribe. Fucking hell. What a fucking idiot. But no, I have thinned it a bit. You can see. You can see in the consistency of the paint, yeah. And yes, those bits in the background are for a Thunderhawk, if you're wondering. If you want me to do an army, what would it be actually? It'd be like a showcase. If you want me to do a showcase, then just leave a comment. If one of you leaves a comment, I'll be gutted, but yeah, whatever. Right, now that stage is done, let's have a look. See, that's looking very nice, very smooth, all the way on the model. Little disclaimer, if you see any flash marks, ignore them, because these are eBay models. But the next stage is Drucci Violet. And that's a very dirty palette. And I know you're probably thinking the same thing, but don't worry about it. But that's 1 drop of water to 1 drop of Drucci Violet. And just swish it all over your Space Marine. Get in all those details. It's quite a nice colour, to be fair. Remember if it pulls, just pull it into the recess. Right, now that's done, let's have a look. See, looks oh, don't say that. Looks fantastic at this stage. Looks good enough to eat. And now what we're going to do is Gene Stealer Purple again. Gonna re-establish the base colour. I'm going to use the large dry brush, the good old large dry brush. And just do your broad strokes all over the model. Stop asking me questions. Right, now that's done, let's have a look. See, we've got the colour back up, and we've still got the shade in the recesses, and it's come out pretty well. Now we're going to go to Cacophony Purple, or Cacophony Purple, but I like to say it Cacophony. And get your large dry brush. Get it into the brush, and then you know what to do. You gotta work it into the bristles, baby. Yeah, just like that. Remember, baby, you can't have too much on that brush. Oh no, just about that. Oh yeah. And then you test it on the base, on the border, or on the handle, and then you just do your fucking broad strokes. And obviously where we've got not that much on there, it means we're not going to ruin our previous work. He's looking pretty cool. I don't know about you, but he's pretty cool. Right, now that Cacophony Purple's done, let's have a look. Cacophony Purple, yes, he is alright, isn't it? Not too shabby. Right, now it's done. Second stage is Decalia Lilac, which is an edge paint. We're going to use the small dry brush for that. And just get the paint on the tip, and then again, just work it into the bristle. Get it to about that point. So it basically looks like there's nothing on there, but there really is, like, trust me. And then look, just go on those the very sharpest of edges and the very focalist of points. And look, see, comes out alright, doesn't it? You can't dry brush every model. You can if you want. What? Right, now that's done. Let's have a look. See? Nice and sharp. Shade in the recesses. Right, now we're going to put Eidolon Purple, which is a clear paint from Forge World. Have a drop of that. Get your large shade brush and put 2 drops of water to your 1 drop of Eidolon Purple. And then that way it won't saturate Limbian blood. See, and now because we've thinned that down, it's not going to tone the light purple down too much. Have it.